Hello everyone. In India 638,000 villages and more than 70% population is involved in agriculture of allied businesses. But due to electricity load shading of remote area where electricity is not available, we find this problem. We are introducing our innovative project. Initiated by the Dassault Systems. There are some basic objectives of our project. Major objective of our project is to develop solar-operated water sprinkler system for saving electricity, water conservation, and avoid increase in salinity of soil. We used components like moisture sensor, solar-operated pump, 3 digital controller, pop-up sprinter, and solar panels of capacity 2,700 watt. This is our project setup. Here we store water in 2,000-liter tank. Controller is device which takes DC voltage from solar panel and convert into AC voltage. It has switch arrangement to decide source of electricity that we can use solar energy in daytime and in night we take energy from grid. This is solar operated pump. Its capacity is 3 HP, takes electrical energy and convert into hydraulic energy. This shows pressure gauge and filter. Safe pressure to operate sprinkler is 2 kg per centimeter square. This is pop-up sprinkler covers area equivalent to 30 feet diameter circle. With this sprinkler we can change coverage area by changing angle of rotation and diameter. The applications of our product, which includes wide range to the agriculture and domestic field, are used to the society in the form of LED lamps. We conclude these factors from our product. 5,730 units of electricity saved per year, 58,401 rupees saved per year, 31.6 lakh liter water saved per year.